just now joining us, a happy Sunday to you. It is 6:47 and another first alert day is in place as this bitterly cold air mass is still sticking around for the day today. We got some improvements from where we were yesterday. We saw a recorded temperature, high temperature of -3 degrees in Madison, a low of -19. So we'll make it above 0 degrees for highs today, but it'll be those wind chills as we head into the evening hours tonight and waking up on your Monday morning tomorrow that we're really going to be alerting you to. 20 to 25 degrees below zero. Frostbite can develop in these conditions in as little as 30 minutes. So you're going to want to make sure you're bundling up, getting the kiddos bundling up as they're getting on the bus stop as you head out for that morning commute tomorrow. The National Weather Service has posted a cold weather advisory as expected starting at midnight tonight and continuing until noon on your Monday tomorrow. So it is going to be a chilly start to the morning on your Monday morning tomorrow. Waking up this morning, you can see a mix of clouds and clear skies this morning, a little bit more of that clearing happening to the northwest. And then we are even seeing some lake effect snow showers impacting the lakeshore there along the very far southeastern portions of the viewing area. They could see 2 to 4 inches, but it will be a very harsh cutoff as you head further inland, as we will remain dry throughout most of southern Wisconsin as the day goes on. And you can see temperatures a little bit of a gradient as you head from the northwest to the southeast, where skies have cleared, temperatures have cooled much more efficiently. The actual air temperature in La Crosse right now is -15 degrees, but we're still above zero down in Janesville. 1 degree for the current temperature. It is -3 here in Madison. So a chilly start to the morning regardless of where you are, and varying winds in general. We'll have these around 5 to 10 miles per hour as the day goes on, but we are seeing some wind chills out there, some wind chills at advisory levels, but they are very isolated. That's why we are not under a cold weather advisory, as most of us going to be in the teens below zero, and these are going to continue to improve as we head through the day as those temperatures warm. But you can see it feels like -24 in Viroqua, -29 in La Crosse. As you're waking up tomorrow morning, we'll see these kind of wind chills a lot more widespread, which is why we have that advisory in place. So as we head through the day today, we will continue with dry conditions, mostly cloudy skies to start. I do think we'll see some breaks in the clouds by the afternoon hours, and that will lead to mostly clear skies overnight. That coupled with dropping temperatures below 0 degrees, some breezy northwesterly winds. That'll bring us those chilly wind chills as you're waking up Monday morning, but mostly sunny skies as we head through the day Monday. An area of low pressure will be working through to the north, and by Monday evening, we'll see a cold front being dragged across the state. Some light snow showers to the north. We may squeeze out a few flurries here in southern Wisconsin as you're waking up Tuesday morning, especially for south central and southeastern portions of the area. But otherwise, we are looking at a very dry weather pattern for the week ahead. Light snow showers likely again on Wednesday, but largely dry conditions through the week, but cold temperatures. Here's a look at those potential wind chills as you're waking up tomorrow morning. Again, 20 to 25 degrees below zero, so make sure you are bundling up. That is why our alert day continues on your Monday. I bumped our high temperature up just a couple degrees, as I do think that sunshine will help warm things up for us, but otherwise high temperatures in the upper single digits to low teens expected as we start the new work week, and temperatures remaining well below average in the teens to take us through the week, with some moderation expected into next weekend with highs closing in on 20 degrees.